Hello and welcome to Althea Suite. Today we're going to take a look at assigning serial numbers after the invoice has been created. So the first thing I'm going to do is come to my sales and create a simple invoice. We will select a customer here and add some items. Now, in Althea, you can either select for each serialized item to appear in its own line, or you can have it like I have it set up here where it will be one line and I will actually change the quantity in the quantity field here. Now we do have another video on assigning serial numbers after invoice creation where we look at individual lines. So for each item, each quantity, there will be its own line and you can assign serial numbers at the line level. Now this one is a little bit different. So I am going to select my delivery method for all four of these items. We'll say for future delivery, and we'll go to pay now. Now, in this workflow, when I hit pay now, it's going to ask me to select those serial numbers. I am going to hit save, and I will get that same confirmation message that I have not specified serial numbers. Do I want to continue? I'll hit yes, and take payment. Now, once the invoice has been created, the items, as they were marked for future delivery, will be in my pending deliveries. So we'll come down to our deliveries module and go to pending deliveries. And here we have our invoice for Benjamin Harrison with our 4 microwaves. So I'm going to come in here and on the context menu, I will hit view sales invoice. And then on the line for those 4 microwaves, again, I will hit the context menu and select assign serial number. Here, I will be able to go back and select for each of these microwaves, which serial number it is that I'm actually sending out to the customer, and save. And that will update the invoice and reserve and assign those serial numbers to those microwaves. Now, once the serial numbers have been assigned, I can now dispatch and complete the delivery for this item. One thing to note is the serial number, as we saw, it can be assigned at the time of invoice, and then it can be assigned at any time up to the time of dispatch and delivery. So before I go to create or start my trip, or simply deliver now, I will need to make sure that serial number is assigned. Thank you so much for watching, and we appreciate your interest in Althea Suite.